Changing your profile picture on Indeed is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image and enhance your professional profile. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Indeed website and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or your name, usually found in the upper right corner of the page, to access your profile settings. Step 3. Edit profile. Look for an option that says Edit Profile or Edit next to your profile picture. Click on it to enter the editing mode. Step 4. Upload new picture. In the profile editing section, find the option to change or upload a new profile picture. Click on it and select the image file you want to use from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading your new picture, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Updating your profile picture can help you make a great first impression on potential employers. Make sure to choose a professional image that reflects your career aspirations.